Whether you live on your own or as a busy parent, finding the time and energy to cook home-cooked meals can seem like a daunting task. At the end of a hectic day, eating out or ordering in might feel like the quickest, easiest option. Convenience and processed food can take a significant toll on your mood and health. Convenience food is typically high in chemical additives, hormones, sugar, salt, unhealthy fat, and calories, adversely affecting your waistline, blood pressure, and risk of diabetes. When you prepare your own meals, you have more control over the ingredients. By cooking for yourself, you can ensure that you and your family eat fresh, wholesome meals. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. Follow along as we cook at home with Wwwhy. Click the link and enjoy.